Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Good day. So I am here today to discuss about this discussion is about integrals. This is the continuation of our topic from trigonometric functions. So next topic will be the hyperbolic functions, or the lesson title is integrals yielding hyperbolic functions. So first, let me present my screen here to present my entire screen. Okay. So as you can see, um, okay, okay. So this is the presentation of the integral yielding hyperbolic functions. So again, as just like any other integral, application of integral or to an way on dealing integral calculus, and also these hyperbolic functions, we will accept the fact that it is more more complex, more intriguing, and more critic in the way of solving it because it deals with many theorems and formulas. Okay, so this is our learning targets. So at the end of the lesson, in which this is the target of every lesson, no, na you should be able to rewrite hyperbolic functions into integrable form by applying standard hyperbolic identities and solve for the definite and indefinite integrals. Okay, so this is the introduction of hyperbolic functions now. So this is the use of application to science and engineering, such as light, the velocity, electricity, and radioactivity now. Okay, so let's begin the hyperbolic function. So if in in ato na pag-explain, hyperbolic functions are trigonometric functions. Ano na lang? It is a trigonometric functions na na-h. Okay? What do you mean na na-h, no? So, parehas ani, no? Parehas aning kuan. Definition, the hyperbolic sine function is defined by sinh, or kung saan man is sine hx, or hyperbolic sine of x, no? So, inani, no? This is the kuano, the definition, the what do you mean, the formula na atong encounter, no? So, ang kaning naa sa PPT is the easiest way, or the kanang di ko ana, the easiest path. Ang inyo lang mo is to practice and practice and practice, okay? To familiarize. It is not to memorize the entire concept, but to familiarize. In that way na we can deal hyperbolic functions or any type of integral in a best manner as possible, no? So just read this no, definition. So this is a conversion na definition, no? Also as parehas sa uban na mga integral na atong encounter atong gina-solve is daghan ni siya og formula, no? Naapod siya mga theorem na atong pwede i-consider. No, these are the the functions and the theorems na atong atong in which so sige na to solve ato ning pwede ma-apply. Okay? As you can see, sa first definition here, sa first definition, no, um, diri sa first definition here sa tanh x, no? So kunyari gyapon sila kung ano sa basic na what do you mean? Basic trigonometric, no? Na h, no? Then nadungagan lang dayon og natural number, no, the e, the Euler's number. So inanara, no? Inanara iyahang inanara ang kuan sa hyperbolic, no? Medyo at the first glance mabilisan kit sabot. But if you have a strong foundation of the trigonometric function, the basic identities, the basic theorems, then it will be easy na lang to apply this, no? Okay? Napod siya sa hyperbolic, napod siya own identity. Okay? So let's proceed. So these theorems, no? The derivatives of such hyperbolic functions, no? So these are the ano, kanang the derivatives, no? Ang need lang gid nato is to solve and solve in order to ma-master or sa ni itong what do you call this, atong ma-master, atong ma-familiarize, no? So inaniraga po, no? Oh, see, more of siya trigonometric na h. Okay? Also the theorem, okay? Also tanawon lang na to theorem, no? Practice lang. We need sa calculus is to practice the examples para ato yung ma-familiarize, no? So ang technique is repetition is mastery. Okay? So let's dive into the ano, no, sa mga problems, no. Dili sa PPT, ako ano, ako dili na nako screen share, no. Sa PPT is na mga solution, no. Given sa module, sa tanan, sa mga basic na mga books na atong makita-an ani sa in which ako ang ginagamit is ang ano, ang Stewart, book ni Stewart. So ana dagan na sa mga solution, but it is good gyapon na na-answer, then we will try to solve the equation. Okay? So I do have mga pila na ka problem. If I'm not mistaken is na ako'y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At least 6 problems. I-show na ko ang mga possibilities how to solve the hyperbolic functions, and there is assessment assessment in the last part of this video na you will submit it. It, it will be it will be graded as your activity para makapractice mo sa inyong pag-solve sa hyperbolic functions. Okay? So let's start, no? I will share screen the we call this paint. Okay? Okay, nandito na tayo sa paint. Okay, nata sa paint, no? So this is the first problem. Find the integral of the hyperbolic sine x and the hyperbolic x squared dx. Okay? And then, ayan na mo kalibog ang mga 2, no? So, again, just like the other na mga type of integral, ang atake na to is we need na ma-simplify good. How to simplify? Then, ang useful na mga way is if simplified na kayo, na ay nailain-lain na ko, no? Just like the basic, no? Let you. Okay? Always let you. So, kung sa man natong pilion dire, so we all know, no? Let you. So, na mga signs, no? Kung ano sa ta maka-let you, no? Unsa ato i-let you, no? Okay? Since mas higher man ni siya og power, higher exponent, so maybe it is the main character, no? Inana, no? Natay mga inana na pag-ila, no? Sa let you. So, ano let you. So, atong i-let you, ano is the push. Okay? Push. Okay? Push x. Okay? Dx. Don't forget the dx, no? It is the ano, kanang equivalent of du to dx, okay? Then, let's take the derivative of du. So du, again, just like the kuan, what is the derivative of cos x? So, given sa table, if atong tanawon, no, ang table, which atong tanawon ang table, ha? Let's see, kuha na to ang table para atong wait sa ako i-paste, okay? I-paste sa tapad sa pin. Okay. So, kani. As per mag-solve ta, adi ano, makita ninyo ng atong mga kuan. So, the derivative of cos, atong makita is what? No? The derivative daw of cos is this sinh. Okay? Sinh daw. Hello, hello. Okay? So, sinh, no? Sinh ang atong what do you call this? Ang ato ang atong derivative, no? So, okay. So, let's solve. The du is sinh. Okay? Sinh. Sinh x dx. Okay? Then, atong ikuan na ang mabilin lang is du. So, left side, then sa ikas is ang dx. Okay? Don't worry na sa PPT kung malibog mo niya akong kuan, akong pag-solve is na-solve na daan, no? Okay? But I'm here to explain it thoroughly. The step by step, no? Kaya basin na dito sa PPT is diretso no? Okay? So, okay. Na-set up na nato. So, next, may tabo na dayon is, ano from this point, from this point, na nata dire, ang atong himuon is, atong i-replace ang tanan nato delete u and the du. Okay? So, mahitabo ani is inani na. So, ang atong new formula is the integral of sine, hyperbolic sine of x. Because nag-let u ta, so the cos will be u. Okay? U squared. Okay? Sakto? And that's sa katanan, no? Then the dx itself is equal to this. Okay? Ano okay? Equal na sila, no? So, we will multiply this by the dx replaced by du. So, 1 over sine x du. Okay? So, ganon. With this, naamay ni Kuan, so we can simplify, no? So, we can cancel out this and this. Okay? So, ang mabiling na lang nato is, sorry. Ang mabili na lang sa tuwa is ang u squared. Sakto ba? Du. Okay? Sakto, no? Muna lang mabilin sa tuwa, no? So, this, the integral of u squared, so, this is the basic, no? Basic na lang kanina pag-solve, no? The basic, so, unsa may answer ni? Directly answer. It is u over 3 plus 6. Okay? But still, this is not the final answer. the let u atong i-replace. So ato i-simplify the answer. So the answer is 1/3. And what is u? That is cos x. Okay? So cos x, okay, plus c. So this is the final answer. Okay? No? So inanarang hyperbolic, no? Medyo intimidating siya sa pinakauna, pero at the end, parehara na sila. Parehara na sila og application sa basic trigonometric, no? Okay, and see you there. Okay, na paano? So, sa dito ta. Next problem ta, no? Next problem ta. Next problem. Find the integral of tanh x. Okay? Tanh x daw. Okay, so nalang ko i-paste na kung ano para diretso na itong kung ano, buo, no? So, also identities, no? Also be familiar sa identities. As your instructor ani na subject, ang dili kay grabe na gina-require, but I do believe that ang kaning I mean, ang kaning ato ang mga identities, mga theorem is ma-memorize nila to if sige tag-solve, okay? So tanh x squared or tanh squared x. Okay? Let's solve this. So what is the first one step? Without looking sa PPT, okay? Let's say first step ano. So kung mag-let kita, dili na no, nonsense na kayo mag-let kita no. Kay one, isa ra man ikaw. Isa ra ni ka ano, component na sa function no. So ipinana gani no kay yeah, familiar to sa identities. So pili na to sila pangita ano sa identity no. Nara, identity. Kasi familiar na to sa tanh diri. Nasa man ang tanh diri. So laro kay no ang tanh is na diri no. Naan sa diri oh. Okay? Na ang tanh diya. Pero ang diya is positive tanh. Sa problem is positive. The integral of positive hyperbolic tangent x squared dx. While diri is negative. So ato ni kuano. Let's use our basic math no. So ato ni siyang ikuan from this formula. Ato makita no is inani no. We can derive this na inani yung forma. Okay? Oops, sorry. No? Sakto? Or ato i-multiply both sides by negative. So, mahitabo is, ngayon mo na lang na siya og hyperbolic tangent of x squared is equal to negative na ng ano, hyperbolic of second. So, may mo na siyang positive na din ng 1. So, may mong 1 the hyperbolic of second x squared x. Okay? Okay? So, may nanan na siya, no? In which pareha na sila. No? Equal ang diri og ang kaning diri. So, equal na sila, no? So, this is the new pa na to, no? Okay? So, the new formula na itong gamiton is ato na. Okay? The integral of 1 minus the hyperbolic of second of secant x squared dx. So, this is the new na, no? Gikan sa identity. So, saan man na to? So, easy na, no? Let's get the integral of 1 x minus the integral of the hyperbolic of sec x squared dx. Okay? So, with that, easy rin, no? Figure na natin siya mga so makita ang answer. So, the answer is x. The integral of 1 is x, no? 1x. So, figure na natin x. Then minus, what is the integral of 1? Hyperbolic of secant. So, tanaw din ta sa diri, no? So, the hyperbolic of secant is what? Secant u squared x squared pareha, no? So, kanino? Oops. So, pwede natin siya magamit, no? Diretso na, no? So, the integral of hyperbolic of secant is hyperbolic of tan. Okay? So, ang answer na din is minus tan h x plus t. That's it. And ako na ang answer for our number 2 problem. Okay? Anak. That's it, no? And no? Ang tanawan lang natong the identities, the theorem, then we can solve easily the hyperbolic function without any problem. Okay? So, next problem tayo. It is the integral of e to the power of hyperbolic cosine x over hyperbolic of cosecant x dx. Okay? So, inani no, kasagara no, basta maka-encounter na gaitag ang Euler's number, ano yung mga Ln, ano yung mga hadlok-hadlok dito, no? Pero that is normal, no? It means good na naka-complex ang atong learning, no? So, inani na mga problem, always ayaw kahadlok, let you. Okay? Let you, good. Duwa na gina, sobra na gina isa ang component sa mong integral diya. Ibalo na gid ka na nakakay, wala ko na na. Okay? So, let you. Let you is equals to, unsa man atong i-let you, ani? Okay? Unsa atong i-let you? We all know that the natural number, e, the Euler's number, na ating i-du is still e. Okay? So, ang atong i-equal na ni is ang what? Para ma-cancel out na to. Para makita kag cancel out. So, tan-out to sa itong mga theorems, no? Theorems sa mga kuan, atong banao, no? Ana gid na, no? Kay repetition is mastery man. Kailangan pa man natin i-master, no? So, sa let you, diretso na to, no? Ang atong i-let you ani class is ang cosine ni the hyperbolic cosine of x, okay? Y. Cos x dx, y. Okay, we all know that the du, just like the ano, du ani is, kasi di du di ay sa cos. So, ang derivative sa cos sa hyperbolic is sine, hyperbolic of sine x dx. Okay? Okay, tanawan sa nato Then, after i-simplify, ani gid, i-simplify gid nga da ano, para dili na mo maglibog, dili na what you call this? Du equals dx. Okay? So, nanatay inanak, no? Then, mingon ka, sir, asa man nga itong makita, sir? Dili ko kakita pa og number or na variable or component din sa atong function na atong makancel. Okay? So, muning ginaingan na repetition is mastery, no? Let's see the hyperbolic cosine, cosecant. Okay? Tama na. Cosecant, what is cosecant? Na ba dire? This is the identity. Second, or is it? Ako tanaw ko ka. Is it here? Yan, nade dire sa tikas, no? Ako sang paano, no? Okay. Okay. So, based sa tong kuan, no? Ang atong kuan kinana ito is sin x, hyperbolic sin of x. Pero ang equivalent niya ng cosecant, hyperbolic of cosecant x is what? Yung equivalent niya is 1 over sin x. Oops. No? Pero, oh. Oops. Okay. Kanya itong gamiton, no? Pag ato ng gamiton, meaning, uy, nanagduwa ka sin x, so, pwede na nato pwede na to ma-cancel, no? Ma-simplify ang atong term. So, mahitabo diyan ni is, ani diyan, the integral of e to the power of u, in which, mo man nato di ko ano. Then, cosecant, the hyperbolic of cosecant is equals to 1 over, okay, okay. Then, the dx is what? 1 over, um, paano it? Sorry, no? X du. Okay? So, this is the equivalent na, no? So, ato sa i-simplify para di gid mo malibog, no? So, again, A over B over C is equals to A times C over B. Okay? So, EU is the A. Okay? So, understand na na to, na sabta na nato. Then, the C is, if EU is A, 1 is B, then sine, hyperbolic of sine X is the C. So, ito lang yung multiply, no? So, EU, oops, times hyperbolic of sine X. Okay? That is integral, no? So, inani na, no? So, makita na rin nato na pwede na nato isa ma-simplify, no? Then, ang atong du is 1 over, oops, sorry, du. Okay? So, ato simplify, bang, bang. So, ang mabili nato is the integral of EU. Okay? Then, the integral of EU, so, kabalo naman tanong, no, nothing changed. So, directly, the answer will be E, and what is U? Cos x, e to the power of cos x plus c. And this is the final answer. Okay? So, ginana ara siya, no? Diba? So, yan na kayo. Then, kung mangwan mo, sir, so long indefinite, still follow the process. Then, if makuha niyo mo ang form na pag-integrate, then you can input the number, no? The upper and lower limits, no? So, don't be scared, no? So, wala na natin na-discuss. If makuha na niyo mo ang final, no? Then, input the limits, then you can get the answer na. Okay? So, another example pa ba ta? Tayo, dati pa may example. Pila ka example. So, nakay no? Let's try to answer these three remaining, no? Para mahimo ninyong kung ano, kanang, you call this? Mahimo ninyo o reference. Kani, diretso ta, no? You all know na pwede na to kung ano, saon. Saon eh. No, basta, bantay mo, basta na yung minus 1. Tanaw din ka sa to, tanaw na to. Kaya identities, no? Lagi mga minus 1 gani, tanawag yun na. Hyperbolic, no? Basta na yung minus 1, that is the trick, no? Dili trick, panlanghin. Pag nagi minus 1, tanawan ni mo, cosh. Where is cosh? Napay cosh lang, hindi. So, the cosh, no? Ang only cosh rin, no? Kay kanino? Oops, sorry. Kanira ang cosh, no? And mao na atong gamiton. Okay? Ako na idiretso, no? It is for you to kung ano, find out na ang equivalent ni ani is the integral of cos x, the hyperbolic cos sine x all over that cos x squared minus 1 is equal to the hyperbolic of sine. Okay? Tanawan ninyo, no? I give you some paano ka ng sana x squared. Okay? dx. So, given na inani, no? Dasay, diri na din masulod si let u. Okay? Atong i-let u ani, what? So, kabalutan na sa denominator, no? Let u. Okay, para mabilin sa taas is 1. Ayan, ano? Makancel ang taas. Then, mabilin is 1 over u. So, mas simple na nga to ang paano. So, ano let u is sine, hyperbolic sine of x. So, the derivative of hyperbolic sine of x dx is what? Okay, no? Ang du ani is cos, no? Ayun na kayo, no? Inverse na sila. Cos x. Then, after simplify, that is 1 over cos x du equals dx. Okay, yun na, no? So, i-rewrite na to. Pamunta ni ubos ta, pataas, so dire. Rewrite na to, no? So, this is the integral of cos x oops, sorry. Over then the sine x squared is atong gihimong u. Oops, sorry. Okay, u squared. Then the dx is equals to the du of 1 over cos x. Sakto, no? Hindi ka malibog, no? Kung muna itong best friend mo sa integral calculus, no? Pero huwag na itong gagamitin pero may gano'n. Ito na yung mga okay? du. So, nakita naman nato. So, we can cancel nato, simplify. Bang, bang. So, mabilin is 1 over u squared or it is equal to the integral of u negative u. Sakto, dili. du. Na, equal na, no? So, mas easy, no? So, the answer ani is, saman, u. So, negative, no? Klaro kayo na negative na siya, no? Kay 2 plus, negative 2 plus 1 is 1. So, mahitabuan na is May tabuan na is u, tama yun ako. The negative of u, 1. Ay, sorry, sorry. Kung nagipagawa sa negative of 1. Ano? So, mura ginala siya no, mahulog. So, that is, ate convert, that is 1. Ate balik sa original, no? So, negative na naging siya, no? Ano yan, domain na negative sa 1. X plus C. Okay. And that is our final answer. Oops, sorry. This will be our final answer. Okay. Last two. Evaluate the integral of hyperbolic cosine x all over 2 plus 3 hyperbolic cosine of x. So, sana kayo, no? Kabalo na tayo inani, no? Let you. Okay, best friend. Tawagan na din natin sa best friend, no? Because this is the best tool. Basta makabantay, nagkita ng kaya, ganyan. Di, mamaster na maganda nimo. Like, what I mean is, mamaster na to ang mamaster na to ang conversion, no? Sa derivatives, no? Kung makita na nimo, makancel out na, no? So, sige, solve, no? So, let you is sin x, no? Ito ba? Ang sara man natin i-let you, ani? What? Ang sin ra ba? Oh, addition na siya, no? So, isa na sila ka function, no? Okay, 2 plus 3. Pantay mo. Sa multiplication, pwede sila magbulag. So, dx. Pero kung addition, isa na sila tanan, guys. Okay? Hindi yung ispat, no? Pwede ba sila sa bulag ang addition? Pwede akong effect. So, the derivative of this, one sa man, that is 3 cos x. If ever makabantay mo na ni mali na ako nahimo dire, okay? Just tell me, okay? Then we will recheck it, okay? We will clarify things, okay? We're all here to learn, to help each other, no? As your instructor, I will help you, no? So, ano, simplify na to. And also, if na ko'y mga lapses, sige, solve. Dati usahay na, sige, tagsulat na, nalan ito galing ng uto katong kamot, no? Sulat ra galit. Yahara na. So, ano, no? So, mga na ni, no? So, ako na ning expect na, nakabalo mo tanan, ani. Okay? So, it, dire, forward ka. So, mahitabo na dayon is the integral of cos x all over. Saman to, u. Okay? Ito, mag-let u. Times, that is the 1/3. Excuse me. Up. Yeah, 1/3 of 1 over cos x, no? Ako lang yan, para ma-center ang 1 with you. Okay? Then there is, this is du. Kaya may tabo, no? Simplify. Bang, mabilin is 1/3. Pwede na nato ipagawas. Makita na nato ang answer, no? Na mabilin na lang is 1 over u, and we all know that, okay, pagawas na itong 1/3. That is 1/3. And 1 over u is equal to the ln of u. Okay? ln of u plus c. Okay? Then our u is what? 2 plus 3 hyperbolic sine of x. Okay, so this is the answer, no? ln 1/3. ln of u is 2 plus 3 hyperbolic sine of x. Okay, plus c. Okay, so this is our final answer. Diba guys? No? So inanara, no? If makita ninyo, no? Nara atong mga solution, I will upload it. Then I will also upload the video, no? So sa link ra na ako ni-upload, no? Kaya natin problem sa Google Classroom about sa share sa mga file. So para maiwasan, diretso na, no? Kani, sayo na kayo nino? Hindi na nato ni ma-simplify, no? Kaya tanawan nato, no? Let you. So sa itong ma-let you, ani, guys. So itong ma-let you, is the 2x minus 1, no? 2x minus 1. Wala, sorry. 2x minus 1 dx, in which the derivative of 2x minus 1 is the du is equals to 2 dx. Sakto ba? In which it is equals to 1/2 du equals dx. Okay. Taluagan na to ang atong whiteboard. So, ana, no? So, kung ato ning i-multiply, ay ato ning i-simplify, the integral will be the integral of the hyperbolic of secant u, so ba? Squared times what is the dx? That is 1/2 du. Okay. So, familiar kayo, no? The hyperbolic of secant u squared. So, ito tanaw, no? Tanaw ta sa ano mga unsa ni? Tanaw ta sa mga theorems, no? Klaro kayo, gibaksa na gid na to. The integral of hyperbolic of secant u squared du is equal to tan the hyperbolic tan u plus c. So, that's na. Answer. Okay? Ang ating input ani is what man? The answer will be 1/2, no? 1/2 kabalo na tanit. Mapagawas naman na siya, no? 1/2. Okay, wala man siya variable na po, no? So, diretso na siya, no? Magawas na siya, no? Then, tans or the hyperbolic of tangent is tangent of u. And what is u? That is 2x minus 1. Then, squared plus c. Okay? And this is the final answer for the last problem. Okay? We solved na, no? We solved almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ligid almost 6 problems, no, sa hyperbolic. And I hope na this will help you. It will be your guide on how to solve hyperbolic functions, no, integral yielding in hyperbolic functions, no. So definitely, let's familiarize the theorems, the identities, no, the conversion of the hyperbolic function in order na mas simplify na to ang pag-solve, no. Just like any other integral kuan na approach, no. There is a certain theorem, there's a certain rule, there's a certain identity, so we will apply it. Then again and again, dili ko what do you call this? Dili ko masumhan balik kong istorya sa inyo na basta mathematics involves or higher order of math that involves solution, it involves solving, then repetition is mastery. No? If you practice more, then I doubt na magkakuha ka gamay na score. No? Kung mas mag-practice ka, there's a better chance na you will pass this subject easily and in a right attitude. Okay? Kay next practice man ka, no? Never na ang atong hard work, ang atong effort is ma-put into vain lang. Okay? So with this, I will end my presentation. The the solution, the solution that I used to solve na akong ipakita sa inyo, ako ning i-save. Okay? I'll save it and ako ni siyang i-kuan butang sa Google Classroom, okay? I will kuan ni para inyong matanaw-tanaw no lecture 5. Okay? HF, hyperbolic functions, okay? Kalibog ano no. So ako na nang i-kuan na i-save na nako. So nana ang file daan. Then again, I will be posting the PPT for the lecture 5. Then again, as your activity, I will make kuan like what sa tawag ani na assignment portal no sa Google Classroom para sa inyong exit assessment no. So that will be your kuan no inyong activity and also maka-practice ko mo solve no. Okay? And even no gamay ra no bisan pagbalik-balik ko ninyo og solve it will kuan no dako nagtabang sa inyo ha. Okay? So excuse me. So again, that's it for this lecture. I hope na namoy na sabtan and I hope na namoy na learn. Okay? Don't forget to repetition is mastery. Then don't be afraid na makahimo ka ano mistake about ani kasi mo practice. Okay? Just do your best and it will result as your best effort. No? Okay? So again, thank you and God bless everyone. Goodbye.